welcome back to Recipes by Aisha, and today we'll be going for grocery shopping where I'll be sharing some amazing products which you can buy, and then we'll make most delicious chicken kachori in Aisha's kitchen. So subscribe my channel before we go ahead. Let's start by going to an Indian grocery store, which is my favorite because I get majority of my ingredients which I need to cook from here. Let me show you which milk you need to buy if you are making traditional Indian and Pakistani desserts. This milk gives you that thick, creamy layer that you really need when you boil it. So you can easily make delicious Pakistani and Indian desserts rather than buying milk from major grocery stores like Coles or Woolies. Then we need to get some frozen parathas for the recipe which I have to make today for you. I normally buy this Minute Khana Lacha Paratha, but there are other brands as well which you can buy. Next we will go to vegetable shop to buy cabbage because that's the main ingredient of chicken kachori recipe, and I think this half is enough to buy today. So let's go home and cook now. You need a little bit of oil in a pan and stir fry ginger and garlic paste for a minute, and then add finely chopped onion to fry till it changes its color to pinkish. Do not over fry it to turn them into brown, otherwise it completely changes the whole color of the mixture. Then add chopped cabbage and stir fry for 2 minutes. Then you need to add salt, red chili crushed, chopped green chilies and chicken powder. Stir fry the vegetables in the spices for 1 to 2 minutes and do not stir fry more than that, otherwise it will change its color. Let me know in the comments below from which country are you watching me. Next we have to add boiled and shredded chicken and add black pepper powder and cumin powder, and then stir fry for 1 to 2 minutes again. We don't add black pepper powder before to avoid the mixture to turn into dark color. Now look at that amazing chicken mixture which is ready, and you can use it in samosas and rolls as well. So let it cool down. We will take a brush to grease our surface where we will take out our frozen parathas and put them out. You need to let them defrost before you use them. Once they are defrosted well, you need to brush ghee or butter on the paratha all over, and then to make a kachori shape, you need to fold one end till the halfway, then fold it from the other end halfway. Then lift one side and fold it again till the halfway, and then fold it again from the other end to make a square shape, and keep it aside to rest for 5 minutes. Let me show you again with another paratha to make it easy for you to understand. This is a very easy process, and in the meanwhile chicken mixture will also be very much cool. Once all your parathas have rested for 5 minutes, need to take one square dough at a time and need to press it from your fingers to make the edges thin and stretch the dough in a large square shape. This would be helpful to make the whole kachori shape. Now take this square dough in your hand, put the chicken filling in it. You can put 1 tablespoon or maybe 2 tablespoons would be more than enough for that. Now take one end and stick it to the other end across. Then take the opposite ends and bring it in the center. Just use your fingers to stick together all these ends in the center. Then close the edges so that the mixture will not pop out from any of the sides. And bring those edges in the center as well to give it a whole circle shape. Then flip the side and gently press it to make it flat. Do not press it very hard, otherwise the mixture will pop out. Now taking the flat side up, put it in the hot oil. Make sure the oil is pretty hot but not very much hot to fry the kachoris, and let them fry for 5 minutes without touching them. Flip the sides and fry it from the other end for 2 to 3 minutes till they are crispy golden brown. And it smells so good right now that I just can't explain you. Just look at the golden brown color of this beautiful chicken kachori, and this is really delicious. Let me show you the inside filling, which is also really amazing, and let me show you the crunch now.